Well, good Tuesday afternoon to ya. It's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Lord have mercy. I hope everybody's having a wonderful Tuesday. But you know what? I've had a few folks ask me, Dan, what's going on in them raised beds? Lord, you ain't showed them. It's been a couple of weeks. So give me a second and I'm finna show you. Well, I reckon we'll start off over here by these 16-foot raised beds. Let me show you. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Them purple hull peas is coming on now. Yes, Lord. They getting up there. Look there. These over here are just the regular purple hull peas. And I got a middle row right here. Those are all top pick purple hull peas, but I'm here to tell you, they are growing quite nicely. Let me take you over there. Here is our cucumbers and pole beans. And as you can see, cucumbers done started latching on right there. And the pole beans are sure enough coming up. I tell you, this heat will put it on them now. I ain't gonna lie. You gotta water them, but that heat will put them on them beans now. Let's go over here to this earth bed. Booyah, look at there. Got a bunch of peas that done come up. And these are the top pick purple hull peas. They come up. And I got some sure enough crookneck squash that has come up. Bird done got after that one right there, I reckon. I done planted like a whole row of these, a 20-foot row of squash, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that come up. But hey, that's all right, I'm cool with it. They came up. The folks that have, asked about what's going on with the earth bed. Yeah, it's working real good. I kind of wish these peas, top pick purple hull peas, was just a little bit greener. I don't know what's going on with that. Might be need to be watered a little bit more, but I'm happy with it. We finna walk over yonder. I'm gonna show you what's going on with the other raised beds that I have on the other side of the 40. All right, here we go. Roma tomatoes are doing very well. Starting to get a bunch of flowers. And Mr. CB's Amanda Orange, looking healthy. Getting a little bit of size on him. And here's the pink bumblebee maters. They are doing really well. Of course, I got my marigolds in there. Well, you seen that. Oh, that's a sore topic right there. But look at him. Tell you what, here's my early girl. That joke already putting on fruit. Ooh-wee. Creole maters are looking really good. They're getting some size on them. Thinking probably in the next couple of days, I'm gonna have to get these guys trellised up with the string. And that's cool. I'm gonna do some pruning on these guys. Gosh, I can't believe it's starting to put fruit on already. Here's something I'm like really proud of. The pepper patch. Remember all them peppers they just bit the dust? These right here, all of these peppers are my seedlings that I started. Got some jalapenos. Let's see what we got right here. This is a Paseo Bajo right here. And here's a Soriano. And this right here, I believe, is a jalapeno. This is one of the ones that didn't look like it was gonna make it, but I just left it and it actually made it. This one and that one. And here's a Temprano. He's looking good. Thank you, Mr. CB, because you sent me those seeds. And my Big Bertha, that ain't the golf club neither. Bell pepper looking mighty fine. Pole beans and this 4x4 raised bed, doing real good. And look at this, Malabar spinach. There's another Malabar spinach right there. Remember when I told you it didn't look like it was gonna make it? Well, they making it. I guess they just needed some heat. Rob, thank you for the advice on the heat, because Malabar spinach, and that's Rob over at the Sapa Gardener. Yes, Malabar spinach sure enough needed some heat, and the heat brought them up. Let's see, my ambrosia cantaloupes, looking good. They are starting to latch on to this trellis here. There's one there, one there. See the little runner things? Yeah, they're ready to start getting it on. Got a bunch of spinach that can come up. Look at all that spinach. Well, I don't know if that's a spinach, but anyways. And I also have some lettuce that has come up. It is 17:03 my time, and it's probably about 90 degrees out here, so it's warm. Myers lemon is still getting it on. I ain't killed it yet. Look at her. Looking good. Green and healthy. And Lord of mercy, look at this bushy wild thing right here. Asparagus just doing this thing. It's just like, yeah, come on, Dan. That's what I'm talking about. And I got a bunch of asparagus that has come up. Here's one right there. Y'all, I just want to go ahead and I wanted to do a little short update on what was going on with the raised beds over here and the earth garden over here at the Home of the Sticks. If you like the video, y'all need to come over here and give me a look now, because I'm telling you, I'm always doing stuff. Really. With that being said, you know what's coming, and sure enough gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. I mean, nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. It's that important. And we will see you and y'all in the next video.